Okay, folks, it's been long time. I'm not posting any video in this channel because I was busy and also confused. Busy at my first channel, Acting is My Love. So if you are also interested for movie talking, so you can join that channel. Couple of people already joined, and in this channel, why I'm not posting long time? Because I have lots of other works. That's why, and also you know that I started learning English, and I'm a very weak person. You all know very well because of dyslexia. So it's very hard to do anything for me. And in this age, new language, very difficult. But still, as you can see, I'm trying. I try my best. So my teacher said, Ricky, you have two channels. So why don't you make your one channel for Hindi and English mix, and second channel you could make English. You have to try. Then I thought, could I speak English very well or not? Because I'm very shy. If honesty say, I'm very shy and I have very limited vocabulary. Uh, I don't know much about words because English is, what should say, English is a ocean, ocean of words, huh? Lots of words, and I know just few words. So then even that they said, no, you have to try. If you will not, you can't speak ever until you not out loud. I don't know I speak right or wrong. They also said, don't hesitate to speak wrong English because everybody know about you. You are not a foreigner. You are not American. You are not an England person, English person. What could so if you will do mistake, so which is completely normal and okay, and with mistake people will learn something. So that's why I decide, friends, right or wrong, I don't know. Now I will try. I put my all effort, 100%, to speak English in this channel. So however and whatever I speak, you listen, and also I want to say, if you know something, then you can teach me. Okay, so don't make my fun, or if you want make my fun, so make it alone, but not in front of me, because I'm a learner. So I want to say to you all guys, if you watch, I don't know, people will irritate, I know that, and they will don't want to watch this kind of video, I know, but I want to my practice. So if the person or the person who know me already, please they are correct me if I'm wrong and teach me. And as I said, if you know something, so pull my hand and take with you. Don't pull my leg. Okay. So in this video, I have a subject, a topic for you guys. So what is the topic? I think already you all know about this. A girl, a girl who posted on Bihar. She spoke about Bihar. She spoke bad something. She said lots of things. I saw that video. One of my subscriber, my regular viewer, he saw that video and he sent me a message. He said, brother, you should make a video about this. What's your thought? It's been a long time you not posted your any video on Ricky's thoughts. Then I said, okay, I saw her video, and now I think that video is deleted because of public pressure or something else. I don't know. But she spoke lots of things bad about Bihar. So I saw that video, and people wants to punish her for this. They thought we should punish her. So this is exactly my point, and this is exactly what I want to share you. We really should punish her. I will put all my thoughts here. As you know, right or wrong, I don't know how I speak, how I sound. So, but just practice, 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 practice make perfect. That's why it's really hard, yeah. Sometimes I'm very shy. Even I can't look in camera. Well, it's okay. I'm a learner. You know that. So she said about Bihar. Maybe if you already watched that video, so you know very well what she said. I saw some clips. There she said, India is a developing country still just because of Bihar. Because Bihar is in India, that's why India is still developing country, not a developed country, according to her. And Biharis have a very zero civic sense, and lots of things she said. That is her first posting, I think, and they sent her Bihar. So that was like a curse for her. So honestly, if I say, she put her opinion, her thoughts, and then after that, public gets angry about her. So how she could say that? We should punish her, and they make a breaking news about her. I think on news channel also this news they shared. So this all happening. After that, watching that video clip, I also realized I should also share my point, my thoughts. So that's why I'm here. So friends, my thoughts is completely different because I have an example also. I will share, and if you have patience to bear my English, so sit down, brothers, sister, and friends. Okay, so she shares lots of negative things about Bihar, but I want to share some positive things also about Bihar. So first, I would say कि not all Biharis are bad, and if honestly say, I was also visited at 2009 or 10. At that time, exactly my thought also was like her. Same, I mean, same thought. Why we are coming here, and also I thought, which kind of place is this? Because that was first time, and I faced some negative things also there, and not only some. Actually, I was afraid to stay there because where we stay in which hotel, just beside that hotel manager said, don't walk at night here because Bihar is not so safe, sir. So this is not like your city. This is not like a very common place. This is something else, and you have to think about it and worry about it because yesterday or before it, before that, here some people fought and a murder happening. I don't know I'm speaking right or wrong. You can understand, so just keep patient. And I also realize some people are very rude and weird kind of person in Bihar. So, but my plus point is at Bihar, not every Bihari is wrong. Some Biharis are very kind-hearted, very soft-hearted, very sweet person, helpful, gentle, and also Bihari well known as hard worker. You can go any other state. There people will be lazy, but Biharis are so hard worker. That is true. So that is plus point of Bihar. And yes, who is a good buddy, good person in Bihar? They also said, we are ashamed sometimes, sir. And we also don't want what happened in Bihar. And we also want to change something, but some people really don't understand anything. They never let do anything, any new changes. They still stay like they always, which is true because as I said, not everybody bad. So who is a good person? They also said about Bihar. So this is not that girl only put her thought. Just happened this. She said, and other people keep in heart. So she said, so don't get her wrong and don't take it negatively. I would say you should take positively anything. If someone criticize you, like you, if you will say you don't know English, your English is bad, which is true. I don't know English. I'm a beginner. I'm a learner. So if I offend, I'll be angry. No, how can you say that? So I can't change myself. Okay, until I will not work on me. So she said, so take it like this. Okay, you point this things. So we will try our best to change this. And this is a time to change. We will make Bihar great. Actually, our country and they should take like this positively. Now start working on your area, on your personality, whatever you can do. Just try to do change everything. Then call her and say, now you come and see how we maintain and let us know what is still wrong. After that, you will actually grow. Otherwise, you can't grow ever. This is very basic rule of life, and which is true. You can't deny. I know when someone criticize you or say something bad, you will feel bad. Like, this is normal human nature because we all have a heart. It's pain. But this is not a process of learning or knowing anything. So if you work on you, on yourself, on your area, then you will actually grow. And I said before, I have an example for you. You look at me, how I look. Tell me. I'm a very below average person, below average looking. But you know that one thing, I was worst. Actually, this is below average, but I was ugly, fat, fatty, what should say. Lots of spot on my face because of chicken pox. At the time I got chicken pox, then lots of spot. My skin was uh, going dark, and people they never let me leave. Whenever I cross the way, some boys, I was young, and they always told me, "Hathi ka bachcha, motu," and lots of things. Dariyai Goda, hippopotamus, ganda, lots of things they told me and try to tease me. I was also hurt. I felt bad, but I took that things, as I said, positively because after coming home on my room, sometimes I cry. But I thought what they said, it is true, Ricky. You are fat, you are ugly, you have spot on your face, you're not looking good. You actually look like a hathi and a hippopotamus. So what can I do? Then after that, I started to try new things, learn new things, and still I am learning. As you see now, this is turn of English language. So because I got pointed about this too. You don't know English, you're not a human, you're an idiot. That's why it hurt again. So I start again to learn. No, I will speak this language one day very well. I don't know how. Now I just jump on it, this race. So at that time, I decided I will change myself. What I am now, I will not will be. Then slowly, I search something. After coming mobile, YouTube, I learned many things. I try to fix my fat. Still I am fatty. Like cheek fat, still here. Sometime after lunch and dinner, I got small stomach also. But yes, I could say I am better than before. And guys, this is my point. Actually, people should take like this. If anyone say about bad anything to you, for you, so you should take positively. And if what he said that is true, so you should work on yourself. Then you will grow up and prove him wrong. So our thinking should be like that. Not likely if anyone said anything, so you get angry or you punished someone. That is not a solution. And what that girl said, she was right. She not wrong. She was right, I would say. In Bihar, actual have some problems, and we should focusing on that. After that, Bihar will be also developed. And otherwise, you think now she is our Indian girl. She said about that. What will be happen if some other people, other countries, mans, they will visit maybe sometime and they will speak like that. That would be what you said. That would be more shameful. Then we will never feel proud about Bihar. If some others country people they will say like that. So if she said anything, so just accept that and accept that challenge, and after that prove her wrong. That will be, I think, a better solution. So if you are still come here, so tell me about that. Or if you surrender in front of my English, so I don't know about that because guys, I am a Hindi speaking guy. My atmosphere is Hindi. No one have to conversation. That's why I decide also. Yes, yeah, I should make a channel for English. So whenever I will got any content for you, I will post. And sometime I do late. And as I said before, if you interested in filmy topic, join my channel Acting a Smiler. I will put their video in Hindi and Hindi English mix. So this is what I want to share you. And now you feel free comment down below what you think about this. If you really understand my English, what is my point, what I want to say, because it's not so clear. I know I accept. That's why. And feel free comment down below. Good, bad, ugly, what do you think? And I will meet you in next video. Till then, this is my signing off.